Daily English conversations for kids. Hello. How are you? Girl, hi. I'm good, thank you. Girl. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you brush your teeth every morning? Yes, I do. What do you have for breakfast? I have cereal and milk. Do you make your bed? Yes, I make my bed. What do you wear to school? I wear my school uniform. How do you go to school? I walk to school. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is math. Do you have a lot of friends at school? Yes, I have many friends. What do you do during recess? I play with my friends. What time do you go home from school? I go home at 3 p.m. Do you have any homework? Yes, I have some homework. What do you do after school? I do my homework and play. Do you watch TV in the evening? Yes, I watch cartoons. What time do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at 7 p.m. Do you read a book before bed? Yes, I read a book. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 p.m. Do you say goodnight to your family? Yes, I say goodnight to everyone. Do you sleep with a nightlight? Yes, I do. Do you have a bedtime story? Yes, my mom reads me a story. Do you sleep well at night? Yes, I sleep very well. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you like to play sports? Yes, I like to play soccer. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is hide and seek. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Brush your teeth. Time for breakfast. Finish your milk. Let's get dressed. Put on your shoes. Are you ready to go? Let's tidy up your room. Where's your backpack? Don't forget your lunch. Wash your hands. Let's play outside. Do you want to ride your bike? Time to do your homework. Can you help me with this? Please pick up your toys. Let's read a book. Time for a snack. Do you want some fruit? Be careful. Let's color together. Can you draw a picture? Time to water the plants. Let's feed the pets. Do you want to help me cook? Please set the table. Can you pass me the salt? Let's clean up after dinner. It's time for your bath. Don't forget to shampoo your hair. Let's rinse off the soap. Time to get out of the bath. Let's dry you off. Put on your pajamas. Brush your hair. Let's pick a bedtime story. Do you want to cuddle? Good night, sleep tight. Sweet dreams. Time to wake up. Let's have some fun today. Do you want to go to the park? Can you tie your shoes? Let's bake some cookies. Time to do your chores. Let's play a game. Can you help fold the laundry? Let's organize your toys. Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want some juice? Let's go for a walk. Can you find the missing piece? Let's do a puzzle. Time to draw with chalk. Do you want to play with blocks? Let's play hide and seek. Can you count to 10? Let's practice the alphabet. Time to learn something new. Can you spot the difference? Let's take a break. Do you need help with that? Time to share with your sibling. Let's do some crafts. Can you find a bug? Let's talk about our day. Time to relax. Can you draw what you feel? Let's write a story together. Do you want to make a video? Let's practice counting. Can you spell your name? Time to learn new words. Let's look at the stars. Do you want to learn a song? Let's practice good manners. Time to be kind to others. Can you help carry this? Let's take turns. Can you help carry this? Let's take turns. Do you want to make a gift? Let's be creative today. Time to say please and thank you. Let's get ready for tomorrow. You're doing a great job.